This is the Omni Ultimate, a brand new innovation that comes equipped with the best-in-class charging technologies. Offering an advanced AC outlet, adjustable DC output, and a high-powered USB-C port, you can power even the most demanding devices. Smart, powerful, and durable. This is the ultimate power solution to face any challenge and pursue every passion. Whether you're out in the world doing field research, helping in a disaster zone, or just want to camp out with your family and friends, the Omni Ultimate is there to keep you going. It's equipped with advanced solar charging capabilities, so you can stay off-grid and keep your devices powered up. It's built to be durable as well as splash and dust resistant. It's the last power solution you will ever need.